For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Take a look at these visuals. The sequence of events will leave anyone fuming. This is the video of a woman who's blatantly seen smashing Ganesha idols on the ground. This video is from Bahrain and has now gone viral on several social media platforms. The accused woman also questioned the salesman in Arabic over Ganesha idols being sold in the Muslim majority country. The woman, while raising the objection, was heard saying, "This is a Muslim country, correct? Let us see who will worship these idols. Call the cops." The incident took place at a supermarket in Jufair, Bahrain. The woman has been booked for disrespecting religious sentiments. Ministry of Interior Bahrain took to Twitter and stated that legal steps were taken against the woman for defaming a sect and its rituals. Capital Police took legal steps against a woman, 54, for damaging a shop in Jufair and defaming a sect and its rituals, in order to refer her to the public prosecution. The Bahrain Interior Ministry also issued a statement in this regard, stating that the legal proceedings have been taken to refer the case to the public prosecution. Concerning a circulated video on social media, the Director General of Capital Governorate Police announced on Sunday that a woman, 54, was summoned for intentionally damaging a shop in Jufair and breaking religious idols. Legal proceedings are being taken to refer the case to the public prosecution. The advisor to the King of Bahrain, Khalid Al Khalifa, who had also served as the foreign minister, took to Twitter and said that the action does not echo the sentiments of people of Bahrain.
Breaking of religious symbols is not the nature of the people of Bahrain. It is a crime of hatred and is rejected. Here, all religions, sects, and people coexist.
Several netizens took to Twitter and lashed out at the woman for disrespecting the religious sentiments of Hindus.
This video is from Bahrain. Lady destroying the idols of Lord Ganesha. No religion teaches to disrespect someone's faith and beliefs.
A shameful act done by a woman from Bahrain. Islam never taught us to disrespect other religions or their beliefs. This could have been handled differently, where she could have asked to remove the idols respectfully. Indians in Bahrain constitute around 4 lakh people of the country's total population, which is about 1.3 million. Hindus comprise 9.8% of the total population in the Middle Eastern country, as per the 2010 census.